smell of rain. I still put the sinking. You stupid motherfuckers. I spit on your age, and I curse you, your ancestors. Women closely eyeing the predators. Door. Rapping they went first, and the dawn with the great stars. They dream of the world, covers of a lover. Imagine perfect pleasure between their legs, and they found themselves awaiting their birds alone. Still full of doubts about their lives. I lost my useless humanity. I transformed this flesh, and I left behind anxiety and fear. And you, men of power, idle husbands, protected by your good manners. You show I feel wet to claiming your ideals. The fear of losing everything. It's you inside, day after day. I betrayed the trust of my friends. I stole what wasn't mine and never found. I did a reason to stop. I hate your false existence, and I want to destroy it without any logical cause. There's no scientific reasoning. You were born from a spark. All a series of coincidences, so unseen. No reason to look for an end of evil. All tired men walk along your safe lane. Lamb, Son of God, show us your big devotion. Don't you feel the smell of rain? Your time is coming to an end, and where is your immortal soul? You fought for your country, now people, Audrey, remember your name. You worked hard for your brats. Did I you so sure that their existence has been useful? Do you think you've changed the world?